Hello, this is lecture 13, 6th sem, Maths 3 by Ramanjan sir. It's also Unit 1, Topology 1. By Ramanjan sir, Department of Mathematics. Department of Mathematics. Right. In the last class, in lecture 12, we have the theorems 1, 2, 3 on closure of a set. Whereas now, the one more theorem in theorem 4, that is a different of the previous theorems. Theorem 4, let x, tau be a topological space. X, tau be a topological space. Full stop. Let capital A be the dense subset of X, and B bar B or BB any non-empty open subset of X. Open subset of X. Then prove that A intersection B is not equal to phi. See that it's proof. Let x, tau be a topological space. X, tau be a topological space. And A, B is subset of X. Let us assume that A intersection B is equal to phi. Suppose the two sets are to be, this is A and this is B, so that A intersection B is equal to phi. Implies A must be subset of B dash or B complement. Why? Because this is B, suppose the outside of that is B dash, then A must be subset of B dash. Since B is open set, then its complement its complement B dash is closed. B dash is closed. Since A bar be the smallest closed set containing A bar be the smallest closed set. Smallest closed set containing A, then A bar is subset of B dash. Take this as 1 because B dash is closed and A bar be the smallest closed set containing A, then A bar is subset of B dash. Since A is a dense subset of X, then A bar is equal to X from A bar is subset of B dash and A bar is equal to X, then X is subset of B dash, but B dash is subset of X. Thus X is equal to or B dash is equal to X. Now B is equal to X minus B dash is equal to X minus X is equal to 5, which is a contradiction. Because B is not equal to 5. Since B is any non-empty set given implies our assumption that A intersection B is equal to 5 is wrong. Hence A intersection B is not equal to 5. Next, we will define separable space. And it was given a definition in 2017. What is a separable space? A topological space X comma tau is said to be a separable space if there exists a countable set a countable subset of X. This is subset of X and it is to be countable, which is dense in X, which is dense in X, which is dense in X, so that A bar is equal to X. That must be the countable subset. So let us see that some example. Let X is equal to set of 1, 2, 3, 4, and 2 is equal to set of X, 5, set of 1, set of 3, set of 3, set of 1, 3, set of 1, 3, 4. Be a topology on X. Be a topology on X. Next, as tau is a topology, each member of the topology is the open set. So open sets X, 5, set of 1, set of 3, set of 1, 3, set of 1, 3, 4, all belongs to tau. Next, closed sets X minus X, X minus 5, X minus set of 1, X minus set of 3, X minus set of 1, 3, X minus set of 1, 3, 4, implies 5, X, 2, 3, 4, set of 1, 2, 4, set of 2, 4, set of 2. These are the open sets, closed sets. Let A is equal to, suppose 1, 3, 4. A is equal to set of 1, 3, 4. Then A bar is equal to intersection of all closed sets containing A is equal to X intersection so there is no other closed sets containing A, so that X itself. Implies A bar is equal to X, implies A is a dense set since A is a dense set and A is a countable set, then X, tau is a separable space, right? Always a finite set A is countable, because A is 1 to 1 and onto. Next side reading. The definition is an important definition. Neighborhood of a point. Neighborhood of a point is the important definition. Let x comma to be a topological space. Full stop. Let L belongs to x, one of the element in the set x, and A is subset of x, then A is said to be a neighborhood of L if there exists an open set G containing L such that L belongs to G and is subset of A. L belongs to G and is subset of A. So let us see that now through the example how to define that neighborhood of a point. L is the point and A is subset of X. Suppose if there exists an open set G in between them containing L such that L belongs to G and is subset of A, then A is said to be the neighborhood of the point L. Suppose this is x comma to be a topological space and this is the element L. There exists an open set which is subset of A, then A is called the neighborhood of the element L. So now example, let x is equal to set of A comma B comma C. Tau is equal to set of x comma phi comma set of A comma set of B comma set of A comma B. Be a topology on X. Open sets x comma phi comma set of A comma set of B comma set of A comma B. All the members of two. Next, let one element I will take, A belongs to X. So what is the neighborhood of the point A? And capital A is equal to set of A comma C, which is subset of X. Neighborhood of A is equal to A belongs to set of A belongs to set of A which is subset of set of A comma C, which is subset of set of A comma C. That is set of A comma C is the neighborhood of A even here is also A belongs to X implies A is equal to set of A which is subset of X. So one more example I will give. Again, suppose let B belongs to X. B belongs to X. This implies B belongs to set of the open set, and it cannot be subset of A comma C. So whatever the open set, that must be having the given element, and if it is the subset of A comma C, then set of A comma C is the neighborhood of B. That is, set of A comma C is not the neighborhood of B. Even also, I will take one more element. Let C belongs to set of X. So all these elements of X and A set is defined separately. C belongs to X implies C does not belongs to any open set of tau, of course, which is subset of A comma C, but C does not belongs to any open set. So automatically that A comma C, set of A comma C is not the neighborhood of C. Like this, we can define the neighborhoods of a point. So in the practical problems, we have to define the neighborhood in other way. Thank you very much. That we have to see in the next class.